Abusuafo ya denchia ma wo Pinax TV a platform you so yenina yenim say nde court hearings echo so ma Bishop Isaac Owusu Bempah na Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. But before that no emra ye remand no ana oda police custody no ubekaya na ne lawyer Gary ni mako present ka ne client Owusu Bempah ebenya bill abefi nanso ne oye nyina no ankoye ye na emra onya bill ni wiye no in an interview okoye ni ebisa no enti ade nko ni ade oye ya na so kan ya eto judges asumu afedie Oma grante ne client so for Owusu Bempah bill but asemba ko kan ya a shock Ghanaian say eba ne say na such person etimi eboama so for Owusu Bempah ye grant ni bill ni say NDC lawyer bi ne advice bi o de man na say strategies bi o ka chen say yemfa ha yenye say enenam so ema ye so for Owusu Bempah etimi grant ni bill ene matters a course so e court na based on in someone lawyer Gary ni mako aka afa so for Owusu Bempah case no ho concerning NDC lawyer or helping ni we take ewo ho ne say
first of all in chake siem koma eti for ne ahwefo ne adofo nyina munya bra mo hwe Owusu Bempah's case is going on but asemba kwa meka say a thirst of democracy a thirst of the rule of law sisi ameno ka say no there are various new arguments are ever in as yanhwe ni year we first time ever may drop is our issue yanhwe ni year all the charges against Bishop Owusu Bempah will be dropped. This is because Niema, the prosecutors, which happens to be the Ghana Police Service, Omujina, so they are charging Owusu Bempah in court. So apparently, in some way, suggested otherwise. Okaya report Ghana Police for a report in press statement by they said, say Owusu Bempah was arrested because one, his boys were brandishing a weapon, and Ghana Police believe say weapon and most of them or some of them were not legally registered, which means in Bremono, omuni who kwans on be say true.
Okay.
Two, certain comments are not making na Ghana Police for a believe say a threat to human beings and a threat to Ghanaians, our lives and security. Say Ghana ni oti krum ha na wako social media. Say me kwahwe de wo me kwahwe de ekoso na obekona obi afraid to say yekun these words breed fear and panic in the society. Thirdly, the omujina so de chain kra according to Ghana Police they say Ghana Police send your boys to go and arrest Owusu Bempah boys. Owusu Bempah ordered his boys to beat Ghana Police up. All these things are edited and information everybody said none of them is true. Okay. In fact, based on in Samana Air Course, we are told, say, Owusu Bempah on Sunday, that is last week Sunday, was preaching at his church. I just say, you be service, ni kwa notice kasakas and basabasa, you be air course, onim de na air course. So all along, Ghana all preachy that 30 minutes and not more to say, you be air course, our compound, or if you say, ABA and cophobia on person be hard, and on person disrupted service, or soma. A sorry nim penny phobia and a security for some question. Let us say, I don't know, it has passed a level of just quarreling and a kibima min kebi. Let us say, I call into a physical mood. Into Ghana Police for Esa Kwabaye say, the Omosuma and say, and the Omosuma say, Yankoyan, Yakoya Yashayan, and no more the backup ebaya. According to them, I say a che, Owusu Bempah, but information are eba air patches say, Owusu Bempah came out to witness the whole thing. And at the point in time, he said, so, okay, we anyway near cause more person with my boys echo, and ye, Misumi DH, it's me DH Yakono, and your coaching. So if you look at all of these instances, main case because Ghana Police, on the other hand, is saying something else. The Owusu Bempah and the church is also saying something else. If you look at these two clear variations, and in Yama course now, it tells you say if Owusu Bempah what he's saying is true, then the only charge I bet him their born and say. We did dominate and as we instigated some sort of violence. What am I say? Because boys now omudi omiti so mufe tuwa nipa no mukute tu ewe ni dimu say ombe kwama no Owusu Bempah. That could be the only charge. What am I saying? Which means
causing fear and panic. No.
Yes, that could be the only charge. All the other charges will fall short. That is what I think, and I'm seeing based on the Sema Owusu Bempah in the church or Mode. But if Ghana Police, what they are saying to happens to be true, say, sending your boys or Amukwa so and coach boys in Brana Owusu Bempah or than the boys. Say, Omumbu your boys and Ghana policemen are attacking a police official is an act of felony in Ghana. Say Ghana ni police or becho. Now we see na no kwai no. A act of felony and I say oh say in Brano. Yes, and those people Omuchina Homa Ghana a rule of law. Anytime a police needs to Obeka just whatever you say or do will be used against you. So a idea right now is a bit dicey and it's so sad say reporters call courts they were not able to catch Owusu Bempah early. He went there early and just like the court procedure do honor in Simbi lawyers of both councils friends and it happened so fast. I'm almost say to Asem that he quickly left the premises. Okay,
share with NDC lawyer the hand in the bill of Sofu Owusu Bempah. A day Adiana printed to Ghanaians and I say in political way.
In this political landscape, one can say in fact, me per se, I was very shocked when Owusu Bempah was doing that is Thanksgiving. You know very clearly, say, one of the loud people in MPP Kennedy Japan, one of the loud people in NDC Sami Jenfi. If both of these two people, Owusu Bempah was able to mention their names, said these two people helped me, and I said showed consent, a brand more present now. It tells you said the guy is really powerful. And I say he has some sort of influence on these two political parties. And for NDC to go an extra mile, giving one of their lawyers to give counsel and advice, okay, so that we need Owusu Bempah out. This is a do or die affair. We need all brains on deck. Whether we Ghana, whether we are NDC, MPP, we need the brains. And for all of them to come together and facilitate the bail of Owusu Bempah. This is what we need the political parties to do. So me, myself, I was a bit surprised, but it felt you said behind that politics, there's just love and affection for both of them. If there's no MPP, there wouldn't be NDC. What am I say? If there's no Sami Jenfi, there wouldn't be a Kennedy Japan or bit Mama Agronayede. So I was surprised, but I think what Owusu Bempah did in church, appreciating people, no say na your program I work can say Nyankopon say one nyama wunua say or
if you say one besra no me daddy
what am I say? So all of these things are course no once you've been able to show that kind of concern am Owusu Bempah kra ba be bom abodi say ma boa no idea very heartwarming and they say here need but in all no Nyankopon. So I am surprised just like Ghanaians, but it thought you said these two political parties Owusu Bempah is not really an MPP prophet as we think. He might just be an MPP NDC
he's
prophet.
A nation's prophet.
It's an amount for air cano.
All right. Mesane bano you send amount for bobo ye papa baumia nanado person like Sami Jenfi any idea. But lawyer Gary Nimako eka say me say if indeed say president have hand in Owusu Bempah case naka or no Gary Nimako and you no nanko be handle this case.
Well,
statement no make here no.
Well, Owusu Bempah have trashed all the arguments and but all the hearsays. Begin a man forecast say, Oshe Sami Jenfi boldly question say, what and now person bisa Baumia say the incarceration of Owusu Bempah. What hand does Baumia and Alan Chamantin have? You all know said they are eyeing the 2024 presidential race at Enya Grokra. And this question sent a shock waves. And I say a day name Nyama kɛseɛ bi ne ojafe dumbi media airwaves and say hey inti deɛ kɔ so yina no Baumia anasa Alanchema na MPP fo bi na ɛhyɛ because a time bi ɔmo pastor no but anamɔ a Baumia Owusu Bempah etu ɛkɔ Baumia fie ne da sɛ ne maame Eefrim into Okochano. Now we share the pictures which came out reported. So no more hage esrena. Trust me, I'm afraid I won't because said these two people are really enjoying them. So many there's nothing like
going on.
They have a bad blood between them and I said they are enemies. So let's clear that one out. Now is it Alan Chamantin? Alan Chamantin can be that order from above. He's a minister, but and you're not headed the defense committee. Sure. Kennedy Japan heads the defense committee. And what we know is that Kennedy Japan even called from the US. Saying that Owusu Bempah a crime ni bit me bail. So we've taken King Japan 2 out. What we know is that Akufo-Addo 2 he sent his delegation there. So Akufo-Addo is out. So that person who is behind it. Ebimo Kase and you be said the boss of the moment IGP Dampare. But be mukra na order from above no in feed Dampare ho. So
order from above. How true is it? Say there was an order from somewhere.
It could be true, but I think say the order could have come from anybody. For example, mo Pinax studios no, there's order. Obi beti mama order inti mo ye programmer no matter how. Program ne course for studio no. Obi beti ma free. And now boss beti ma free from home. Aka say program mo ye no. Mo nkati program no. Only one ka say wonye. What am I saying? Yes, so that order is what? From above. Meanwhile, there could be an executive producer. Or share sa boss na say. Onu so bit maka just a program ya mu yi. Me feel say they assemble ba. Me am share program no so no. I think say nyinti e kati program. That could also be an order from above. So it could be say the CIDs, the Criminal Investigative Department, one more handle case no. No can say based on evidence A, B, C. No. We don't want Owusu Bempah to leave site. We think he's trying to evade a prosecution. It's mamu excuse and mamu excuse be so yarenia debi. Even at the hospital, make sure you handcuff him. Okay. So it could be a normal CID. It could be a normal prosecutor or sergeant. What I say, he was just doing his job. IGP Dampare will or might be aware of all of this situation, but he needs to let the order flow because subordinate and I want more shower say dear seven. No more fellas I didn't also take action A and B. The moment I will be cast omunjai, which means there's a personal interest and I said there's a conflict of interest. You are not doing it for Ghana. Nemo, because you want to serve your boss Akufo-Addo and you want to serve your own political interest and you tell us assembly chidi. So it could be, to me, it could be any other person. I think Dampare has no hand in it. What I think is that normal CID and sergeants, they believe say a case they needed to take action and Dampare just allowed his boys to do the work. Okay.
You know, for we update if I saw for Owusu Bempah case